Welcome! In front of me is an iPad Pro 4th generation, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your control center from the top right side, and in here if you see your power saving mode, or however it's named, you can toggle it on, but it looks like it's not enabled by default, so we will need to navigate into our settings. Select Control Center and then swipe down, and in here you should be able to find the power saving mode somewhere. Or am I blind? Oh no, it is added by default. I'm just blind, so it was right over here. Now if you don't see it by default, this could be a possibility, then all you would do is just press on the button, the plus one, and it will get added to the toggles right here. And from there you can access it. So anyway, now that it's in here, you can simply tap on it to enable your power saving mode. Now this will turn off high refresh rate on the display, so you'll now be locked to 60 instead of the 120 that normally this display runs at. And there might be a couple things happening in the background, but Apple doesn't disclose any of them, so I'm just not going to be guessing here. It's their job to inform you what the power saving mode does, which as you can obviously see, they don't do that. Anyway, that is how you'd enable your power saving mode, and once you're done with it, you can tap on it once more to turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.